The first day of shoot was actually in a temple premise. So it was very surreal. After every shot, I would go to my makeup room and howl and cry. Every man wanted to find a girl like Suman.
Yeah.
I guess in all this, the only person who got really lucky was Himalay.
Yeah.
You wouldn't believe it, but I still haven't managed to see Maine Pyar Kiya in the theatre.
लता जी जिस फिल्म पे अपना हाथ ये रखती हैं
Yeah.
वो सक्सेस हो जाती है.
While listening to the script, I started crying. Surajji got even more interested. I said, it's a lovely script and a lovely story, but I'm not really keen on doing Salman came and sat right next to me and started singing the song into my ear, where it just seemed like crossing the line over flirting. Oh, the Kabootar got really friendly to me, and it was so difficult for him to fly away. We used to have this whole thing on the set when Salman would say, you'd rather romance the pigeon than me. When we got married, in fact, Salman and Surajji were the people from my side because my family didn't attend my wedding.
What was the first song that you filmed for Maine Pyar Kiya?
I think it was Dil Deewana.
Which became the most cult song of the
Yes.
film. Yeah. What was that experience like? And it was also your first outdoor, right?
It was my first outdoor, and it was the first time that Salman had come to know about my relationship with Himalay. So, for the first time, I was away from the family for such a long time. It was about a month that we were shooting in Ooty. And I was feeling all this lonesome and blue because I had no family with me, and we didn't have mobiles at that point of time. So I couldn't talk to Himalay, and I would have to make, the trunk call at that time. So, so I was like really feeling so alone.
Yeah.
And we had to shoot for Dil Deewana Bin Sajna Ke. So apt. And suddenly, Salman came and sat right next to me and started singing the song into my ear. And he had always been such a gentleman on set and so nice to me that I couldn't understand where it just seemed like crossing the line over flirting. And I said, why is he doing this? And he would follow me around and keep singing the song. And I was like, what's happening here? And then finally he took me to the side and he said, I know. And I said, really? What is it that you know? And then he goes like, I know who you're in love with. So I said, yeah, like really? And then he said, okay, I know about Himalay. Why don't you call him here? I was like, oh my God, this can't be happening. And I think from that moment onwards, there was a special connection that I also shared with Salman, because it was like, oh, he was like my buddy who knew everything and he knew all the secrets. So when we got married, in fact, Salman and Surajji were the people from my side because my family didn't attend my wedding.
Wow.
So, yeah.
It was special.
It was special.
So what would you say was the most difficult or challenging scene that you had to shoot?
I think it was the song Mere Rang Mein Rangne Wali, because at that point of time, I was going through a lot of emotional upheaval in my own life. My parents actually were against me getting married, and they weren't allowing me to interact and meet Himalay. And then I was shooting this really romantic song, and it was so difficult to switch on and off.
Sure.
So it was literally like after every shot, I would go to my makeup room and howl and cry. And everyone in the sense, Salman and Surajji were really very nice to me at that point of time. And they said, do you want us to stop the shoot? Do you want us to wait a bit? And there was one part of me that was so committed to my work, and I didn't want them to lose time, effort, and money over there. So I said, no, we have to finish this. We have to go. And my heart was breaking, and I was thinking of 10,000 things in my head. And here I was shooting the most romantic sequence with Salman.
Which is so crazy, because when we see it, we would have had no idea this is what was going on.
Yeah.
Did you have any inkling that this would become the legend that it did?
No, I mean, all of us were putting in hard work. So we all prayed for its success and wanted it to be successful. But, I've always gone through life saying enjoy the journey. So for me, it was like, was I really enjoying what I was doing? And I was. I was really having such a great time on set and interacting with everyone. And like I said, that we all were putting in hard work. So it always helps when it's appreciated. But no, not in our wildest dreams could we have ever imagined something like this.
So why do you think it's still so relevant today?
I think it's a simple love story. Everything that touches the heart stays forever. You'd never forget your first love. It's easier for friendship to develop into love than have love at first sight. Though there's a dialogue कि लड़का लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. But when a friendship grows into love is something that I think every couple would aspire.
Yeah.
And every couple would even want the opposite to happen, that the person you fall in love with becomes your best friend. So I think that's what really seeds into people's hearts.
So what was that experience like? Shooting with the Kabootars and all of that?
The Kabootar got really friendly to me. And it was so difficult for him to fly away because he would come and perch himself on my head or on my shoulder or on my hand. And finally, we used to have this whole thing on the set when Salman would say, you'd rather romance the pigeon than me. So, yeah. So, I mean, it was difficult doing all those scenes because it would refuse to fly away, like I said.
Yeah.
But Surajji was also very particular on making sure that the birds weren't tortured, the birds were fed right and given the right kind of treatment. So, in that, it became difficult because the trainer would say that, no, they need to be hungry so that we show them flying away. Mm-hmm. They would keep food and then the Kabootar would fly to that. And Surajji wouldn't allow that. And Surajji said, नहीं, आप train करके उनको बता दो कैसे यहाँ से वहाँ जाने का, but they have to be fed, they have to be looked after properly.